Hey everyone, ready to unlock some serious data power?
Oh, yeah.
We're diving into the data science toolbox.
Cool.
It's like this incredible collection of tools and
Oh,
techniques
tech.
that help us squeeze every single insight out of data.
It's pretty crazy how much data, shapes our world,
Yeah.
without us even realizing it.
Yeah, even thinking about
Yeah,
how you get personalized recommendations on your streaming service.
that's true. Or how your GPS finds,
A fastest route.
the fastest route. Yeah. That's a data science toolbox working behind the scenes.
It's wild.
It
It's like a
is.
secret decoder ring for the information age.
Right.
But before we get too far,
Okay.
let's rewind a little bit.
Heck.
Where did this whole toolbox concept even come from?
Well, it's actually been evolving for centuries.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Early statisticians, they laid the foundation with methods that helped us understand patterns in data,
Okay.
but things really took off when computing power started to rise.
So from abacus to supercomputer kind of upgrade?
Exactly, suddenly we could crunch numbers and analyze information in ways that we could never have imagined before.
Oh, wow.
And as technology advanced, so did the tools.
Right.
In the early 1990s, are emerged as a total game changer in the data world.
Oh.
Yeah, it was a free and open source language,
Okay.
specifically for data analysis.
Oh,
So it made these powerful tools accessible to anyone with a
Yeah.
computer. Yeah.
It's amazing. So our democratized data science,
Yeah.
taking the power from the
Yeah.
software giants and putting it in the hands of,
The people.
the people.
Yeah, you could say that.
That's so cool.
And the beauty of R is it's always evolving.
Really.
Yeah.
How so?
Brilliant minds have been adding packages and libraries to it.
Oh.
Like the tidyverse.
A what?
Tidyverse, which streamline tasks like data wrangling and visualization.
Cool.
And with annual updates, the toolbox is always getting sharper and more efficient.
Okay, so we've got this powerful,
Yeah.
ever-evolving toolbox, but can we see it in action?
Oh, for sure.
Give us some real-world examples of what it can actually do.
Absolutely. Let's start with something sparkly.
Ooh, sparkly.
Diamonds.
Diamonds.
With a data science toolbox, you can analyze how diamond characteristics
Okay.
like cut, clarity, and carat weight affect pricing.
Oh, wow.
You might even uncover hidden trends that surprise even the most experienced jewelers.
So it's like having X-ray vision for diamonds,
Yeah.
revealing their true value.
Exactly.
That's awesome. What else can this toolbox do?
Well, consider those frustrating flight delays.
Ugh, yes.
By crunching data on weather patterns, air traffic, and airline performance,
Okay.
a data science toolbox can help identify what factors are contributing to those delays.
Okay, now that's a superpower I could use.
Right.
Armed with that, knowledge travelers could make smarter decisions
Absolutely.
and avoid those airport headaches.
Exactly.
But what about something on a grander scale? Okay, yeah.
Can this toolbox help us understand global trends like health outcomes?
Absolutely. A data science toolbox can help us analyze the relationship between life expectancy
Okay.
and various socioeconomic factors
Wow.
across different countries and time periods.
Okay.
This kind of analysis can inform policy decisions
Right.
and ultimately improve global health.
Okay, my mind is officially blown.
It's pretty cool stuff.
This toolbox is like a Swiss Army knife for data,
Yeah,
tackling everything from diamond prices to global health trends.
pretty much.
But let's zoom in a bit.
Okay.
I'm guessing there are different compartments or sections to this thing, right?
Yeah.
What are the key pieces that make up this powerful data toolkit?
You're right. There are distinct stages in the data analysis process,
Okay.
each with its own set of tools.
Okay.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
First, you need to get your data into the toolbox.
Okay.
That's data import.
Data import. Okay.
So data import is the entry point to this whole data science adventure.
Right. Exactly.
But I'm guessing the data doesn't always arrive in a pristine, ready-to-analyze format.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Right.
Data can be messy.
Okay.
It often comes from different sources in various formats.
Right.
And with all sorts of quirks and inconsistencies,
Oh, no.
that's where data wrangling comes in.
Data wrangling. Okay.
Yeah, it's like prepping ingredients before you start cooking.
Okay.
You need to clean, transform, and shape the data into a usable form.
So data wrangling is like the cleaning and chopping phase of the data analysis recipe.
Yeah, exactly.
What are some of the key tools involved in this crucial step?
The dplyr package in R
Dplyr, okay.
is a real workhorse here.
Okay.
It provides a set of verbs.
Verbs.
Yeah. Think of them as action words
Okay.
that let you like slice, dice, and transform data with incredible precision.
So we're getting all grammatical with data.
Kind of, yeah.
What kind of actions can we perform with these data verbs?
Well, you've got filter for selecting specific rows
Okay.
based on certain criteria.
So like if you only wanted to look at flights longer than a certain distance,
Exactly.
you'd use filter.
You got it.
Okay.
Then there's arrange for sorting the data,
Yeah.
select for choosing specific columns,
Huh?
and mutate for creating new variables based on existing ones.
So like if I wanted to calculate the total delay time for a flight
Yeah.
by subtracting the scheduled departure from the actual departure,
Right?
that's mutate in action.
You got it.
Wow.
And then there's summarize,
Summarize, okay.
which condenses your data into like meaningful summaries.
Okay.
Like calculating averages or counts.
Okay.
It's like taking a huge spreadsheet and like boiling it down to the essential insights.
These data verbs are like little data ninjas,
I like that.
slicing and dicing information with precision.
That's a great way to put it.
But once we've wrangled our data into shape, what comes next?
Good question.
I'm guessing we don't just stare at rows and columns of numbers all day, right?
You're right.
Right.
That's where data visualization comes in.
Data visualization, okay.
Yeah, it's the art of transforming data into visual representations
Okay.
that help us understand patterns, relationships, and